morning to you all. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Very good. So student, this is your maths oral period. Maths oral period, and my topic is numbers 101 to 150. We will do revision. 101 to 150. So before starting the topic, we will do assembly. So let's start. Today's date is 13 May 2021, and shape of the week is blue. All of you can see blue. Very good. And fruit of the week is blueberry. And word of the week is examination. And shape of the week is diamond. And sentence of the week is all the best for your examination. So children, learn the assembly work. Now today we will do numbers 101 to 150. So student, you have to listen carefully whatever I am saying, and you have to make the video clip also by learning this. Okay children, so let's start. This is your maths oral period. Maths oral. You don't have to write this in your notebook. आपको ये अपनी कॉपी में नहीं करना है, ये आपका सिर्फ ओरल है. एंड दिस इज योर रिविजन because we have already done the countings 101 to 150. So children, you have to listen carefully. Okay children, so let's start counting 100 tens ones. 100 tens and ones. Numbers 101 to 150. My topic is numbers 101 to 150. So let's start. So you have to repeat after me children. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, then 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120. Then after that 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, then 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139 and 140. 140. Next is 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149 and last is 150. So children, like this you have to read it at your home. So children, once again I am repeating. All of you listen carefully. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119 and 120. 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130. Then 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139 and 140. 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149 and 150. So children, this is your numbers 101 to 150. So you also have to learn these numbers. Okay children. So I hope you all have got this properly. So thank you class and be safe and learn your work on time. Okay. Bye bye class.